Hey guys, we're back. Charles Scicli here, Scicli Properties, bringing another brand new listing in North Indio in the gated subdivision of Desert Collection, 42347 Revere Street. Come on in. The interior of the property is just under 1,700 square feet, open floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, tile floors throughout, quartz countertops in the kitchen, custom backsplash, stainless steel appliances. The backyard features Pebble Tech pool and spa, fire pit, plus custom putting greens and custom turf throughout. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing in Desert Collection. The best part about this subdivision in North Indio, you have no MELLO ROOS tax and low HOAs. I'm Charles Scicli with Scicli Properties. For more information, contact me direct.